In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off comments on a school post. Whether you're trying to maintain the focus of your community on a specific topic or you simply want to reduce clutter, managing comments can be a very useful skill. Let's get started and walk through each step together to ensure that you understand the process thoroughly. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type in Skool. Now, Google will display a list of results, so you'll need to click on the first result that appears. This link will take you directly to the Skool website's main page. Once you've arrived at Skool's homepage, it's time to log in. Enter your credentials to access your account and make sure that you have the right login details. If you're not sure, check your saved passwords or perform a password reset if needed. After successfully logging in, your next move is to direct your attention to the top left of your screen. Here you'll find arrows. Click on these arrows to reveal a drop-down menu or a sidebar. This is a crucial step as it directs you to where you can access all your communities and posts. With the sidebar or menu open, look for the community that contains the post on which you want to turn off comments. Click on the chosen community to delve deeper into its posts and threads, ensuring you're navigating through the right content area. Once inside the community, you'll need to identify the particular post you wish to modify. Here, your aim is to locate three dots at the upper left corner of the post interface. These dots are often used in website design to indicate additional options or settings. When you click on this set of three dots, a menu will pop up, showcasing options that allow you to perform various actions related to the post. From this list, find and select Turn Off Comments. Clicking here will immediately disable comments for that specific post, allowing you to keep the conversation focused or prevent any further interactions. Before wrapping up, it's good to double check your work. Ensure that the comments are indeed disabled by attempting to comment or by checking the post settings for any visible changes. This little action can save you any hassle later on if comments were not deactivated properly. And there you have it! You now know how to turn off comments on a school post effectively. Keep practicing this process when necessary to ensure you're managing your communities efficiently. I hope this guide was helpful. Remember to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.